Goa have beautiful beaches, temples, churches, forts, but beyond that, it also has some dense forest, wildlife sanctuaries, and ghats. Goa, the only state in the country that protects the entire area of Western Ghat that falls within the state. So today I'm going to take you to the virtual trek in between the woods of Mahadev Wildlife Sanctuary and to experience two most beautiful and hidden waterfalls of Western Ghats, Satrem Waterfalls. So hold on to your seats and get ready to feel the unseen waterfalls of Goa. Meanwhile, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and help us to reach 1000k. Also, press the bell icon for all the notification of our videos. So guys, we are on the way to Satrem waterfall, so let's go. So we started our journey from Valpur. So we had something for breakfast in Valpur and then we just left. So we are on the way right now. So we'll be reaching there I think in 20 minutes. Let's see. Okay, and then we have to go by walking. There is a walking distance that we have to cover. And after that we have to walk a little. I think more than 1.5 hours. So let's see. I'll keep you updated. Okay, and please check my description box. I've given all the information regarding this travel video. And enjoy my vlog. After some distance in Valpur, you get this check post over here. You have to pay some minimum fees over here and then you can enter the Mahadev Wildlife Sanctuary.
वॉटरफॉल आसा थंय एट टायम न्हू सत्तरेक हे बसता पुजा करपाक सत्यनारायणाची टायम वर्सान एकदा जाता
होय 70
60 म्हणल्यार कितले लोक असतात त्या प्रमाणे बसता हांगासर चिदंबराची देवूळ म्हणून आसा फेमस
Finally we are going to Satrem waterfall. So you have to go through the village of Satrem. So you get to see many trees and plantations over here. Okay, so we are now taking our bikes. Satrem is a very beautiful village and you must come here and visit this local place, and you must come and visit this local villages, and the villagers have grown different kinds of agriculture over here. They have planted so many plants and you must come here and visit them, and it is very much peaceful over here. So you can see the view from here. It feels so natural. I want to be here forever. Okay, so here it is. The well. I'm shooting here. Okay, so after some time we are waiting for someone to join us, and after some time we'll be going to the track. Just stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please go and subscribe and please share it with your friends. So now I'm going to introduce you to my colleague from the school. So here he is. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we are going together and this place belongs to him, his family. So he has given us such a beautiful information regarding this place, and this plantation is really very good.
गड्डे
हाँ, ये गड्डे ती तांबडी भाजी.
तांबडी भाजी ती हरवी कोथंबीर
खंयची ती हरवी कोथिंबीर. ओके, हांगा अरे बाबा. ही कसली ती तांबडी भाजीची न्हू.
कारुती
खंयची कारुती. ही सगळ्यो आतां इतल्यो व्हडल्यो जाल्यार त्यो कारुती.
11 लायनी आसा न्हू त्यो सगळ्यो कारुती जावं ना जातल्या.
आणि ते स्ट्रॉबेरी. हा तवशी. बरी आणि प्लेस. So here you can see the strawberry plantation. So here you can also see one strawberry. आडलेली हो. ते फाटले प्लांटेशन कसले फाटले वाल्यांचे. So we are waiting at my friend's place. So my friend's brother Shyam Gaukar, you must have read about him in the news that he has started of his own vegetable plantation and he grows different types of vegetable. He also grows strawberries and he has started on his own. So let me take you quickly to the glimpse of his plantation. So people like him are very hardworking and we should really get inspired from this type of people. होय. हा म्हणजे ते तिथून ते बरे ग्रोथ जाता दिसता त्याची.
भितर एके ट्रेडी 100 असता मध्ये रुजता मध्ये
आणि बियो बीन कशो कितें घालता आपल्यो स्वताच्यो.
हे त्यांनी हांगाच केल्ले.
This is a tomato plantation. So here are the tomato this. So see how it is grown. Okay, so here they have made so through this they are putting all the fertilizers which the plants need. So they are going through these pipes. So I'll be going there now. I saw something there. I spotted. Okay. It's a well. So deep. It requires very much patience and hard work to do all this work. This agriculture is very, very hard working work. So here is my friend, little friend. Come my friend. Hey friend. Every dog which I come across have to do this. Why I don't know. You have your YouTube channel? Please subscribe, okay? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? My kudu. So we have one cutest member to join us to the Satrim waterfall. Chalo, let's go. Okay, so we are finally walking. So we are starting exactly at 10:35. So let's see what time we are reaching there. So it is a walking distance more than I think 1.5 hours. There are two waterfalls actually. One is one waterfall which is there where mostly people go, and there is one more waterfall. So let's see if we can cover up both the waterfalls together. So it also depends on our speed of walking. So if you are planning to come, so you have to be perfectly fit and fine to come here, and you have to walk that much distance. So there is a parking place over here, and they charge very less for the parking. And also, if you want to buy something like water or any chips and anything, you can buy here. And also, if you are carrying your water bottle and chips packet, plastic basically, then you have to carry it by yourself, and while coming also you have to get that back. Remember, please, no throwing plastic or anything in the beautiful place. Strictly no. Actually, we have started our trekking early. You can also go there by the bikes. So let's see, I will update you up to where the bikes go and where you can take your bike. Actually, it is very safe to keep your bikes in the parking section, but some people also carry their bikes along with them. Yay, finally we are going. कंचा हां थंय मागीर ते नेक्स्ट येता ते भीमगड म्हणून तो गांव ह्या वाटेन आनी त्या वाटेन कितें म्हणटा खंयची वाट हां ना तुका वाटलं दिसांनी जाल्ले ते Okay, so see this peaceful place, so refreshing. So let me tell you, we have not even reached halfway. Okay, so I have to cross that side. Okay, I'm going right now. It's actually very easy to go this side, but I don't want to. Okay, just wait. Just finally I came inside. Okay. Taking some rest. So we took small mini break and we are heading towards our waterfall right now. So we are walking back on the track. Not basically on the track. My last travel I think travel episode 2 or 3 was on the track, but no, not more. We are going now.
आता फक्त
Come. कधी जायचं? येऊ नका. आता ते का माहिती. ये आता. I know it's very tough, but my photographers are very strong. This again a mini break which I took. कितले मिनिट झाले या मिनी ब्रेकाक? कितले मिनिट झाले? Okay, so I took a mini break of 10 minutes, and actually this plant you can see, no, it's not good. That plant is I'll put the name of the plant on my screen because I don't even remember what it is. Okay, I think it's time to go back because the partners which we came in with have already gone ahead and taking rest. This happens because there are so many of the things you have to climb up. My break finished. Just I'm going to go. So after this point we got lost. So thank God whoever wrote this sign, we could able to go towards that way. This way please. आणि कितले पुढे आहे
20 मिनिटं.
किलोमीटर?
20-30 मिनिटं.
I think more 30 minutes. But you have to keep walking. Okay, again there is 30 असा परतून वाज येता म्हाका 30 चडपाक. कितली चडटी हा ही. Okay, I'll show you. Wait. The chatti. ये आणि फक्त दोनच चट्टे उरल्या त्याच्या मागीर आम्ही पावतली. फायनली आय कांट वेट टू शो यू द व्यू ऑफ द प्लेस. तुम्ही पहिला आसतले तरी आसतना थ्रू माय आयज म्हणटा तशें. मी साट्रे वॉटरफॉलाचेर वयता तेन्ना खुबश्यो चट्ट्यो देंवत्यो काडच्योच पडटल्यो आनी चट्ट्यो देंवत्यो काडूनच तुमी इतल्या बऱ्या लोकेशनाचेर पावतली. अजून आमी पावूंक ना. अजून आमी आनीक 25 मिनटां बी आसतली खबर ना. विचारिया रामाचे राउंड 45 मिनट्स है इधर से. पानी से आए हो आप? हाँ, गो फ्रॉम दिस साइड देन. ओह माय गॉड. माफी.
अभी वेट.
सर्विस ट्रेनिंग. आप कौन सी सर्विस से हो? वाह, नेवी. टफी असत फाटल्यान. ओके सो आम्ही पावली खंय तरी. खंय खबर ना म्हाका. खंय पावली ती खबर ना. खंय तरी पावली. ए तेका पळय तेका पळय तेका पळय. ओले. सर हांगाच्यान अशें वयपाचें. कितलो डिस्टन्स आनी. ओके तो आनी पेटो. दिस ट्री. Some people are busy cutting the trees and we are into the trees. Actually the trees are real treasures of our planet, so we should save them. But in the name of development we are destroying many trees. So finally we reached at the Satrem waterfall. This is the first Satrem waterfall. We are going to go to the another Satrem waterfall. जाम झालो. So we are going on to the next waterfall. Let's see the next waterfall now. Okay, right now I'm just keeping the phone away. You're beginning. Come on. Come on, come on. You can do it. Come on. Yes, we made it to the top of that waterfall which we were seeing from down. Here it is. Finally we reached here. Okay, so it's not easy to just reach here. You have to climb up. Okay, so let me show you. Okay. So we made it to the top of the waterfall which we were seeing on the down. You can see down there people. So that's the waterfall. Hey, the feeling is like, I cannot express you the feeling. So on the way you find many beautiful springs like this. सो मच रिफ्रेशिंग। कौन कहता है भाई वाटरफॉल का सीजन सिर्फ रेनी सीजन में होता है? यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर देखो, देखो भाई देखो। After so many kilometers and after walking so much, we finally to the most beautiful waterfall of Goa. Here I present you Satrem Waterfall. Oi, oi, oi. Hey Baba, oi, Musa. So guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe to Goa Education Hub, and we'll do more and more travel series. And also let us know in the comment section how you like this video, and please share it with your friends so that they also subscribe to our channel. Keep loving. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.